In front of me is HONOR X5c Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Start by launching your keyboard, which in case of this HONOR is an emoji one, and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Now select Themes and tap on one of those to apply it right away, or to try something much more interesting, click on this icon with a shirt and a plus. Then pick any of those keyboards. Let's go with this one. Hit download and tap on apply to get it instantly. If you wanna create your own though, you can always click on the same icon as before, go into Themes, and this time use this icon of a photo under Customize Themes. Then tap on the photo you wanna apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and even rotate it. Then hit next and enjoy managing all of those options to create a perfect keyboard. You can click on one of those simple keys and pick color of them, or my favorite one, pick one of those popular keys. I will go with maybe those. Now, what cool is, you can adjust opacity of them thanks to this slider, so your background still will be visible. Then hit font, pick a perfect one and change color of it. Select swipe to pick one of those flow options, change color of it as well. And most people miss that you should scroll to adjust brightness and blurriness of your background by operating those two sliders. Then hit Effect, click on one of those effects you will see every time you will press a key, and enable or disable K-bubbles thanks to this switcher. Then hit Sounds and pick a sound effect you will hear every time you will press a key. Adjust volume. Pick standard key sound here, or disable it by tapping on this icon of a microphone. Actually, it's a speaker, to mute it completely. Now you can finally hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my keyboard was successfully customized. To manage it or create any other one, click on the same icon and this time scroll to hit settings. Now you need to select theme at the bottom left corner and click on this little icon of a color palette to create a new one. To access your themes, you can click on Settings again, hit my keyboard at the top and check it out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!